Check it out. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. So my buddy Kent, I said something to him, and this is going to be a taste test of his seasoning that he makes. And I tell you what, it's already on the grill. We're fixing to go look at it. This is about the review on this, not really the cook, but I will show it to you. But let me tell you what. I opened it up yesterday and I took me a whiff. It hit that up nostril thing up there. Up there where they stick that thing to check you for stuff in today's world. But anyway, it burned. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Gigi smelled it and she said, can you put Uncle Steve Shake on mine? I said, sure. So anyway, I did it again today. You know, I opened it up, snorted it, and it burned the fumes up in there. So I don't know if it's hot or not, but it's got a kick to it. I will tell you that. Let's move over and I'll show you the chicken. Alright, so that's what we got. There's Gigi's, there's mine. Mine has a mark on them, but mine are darker. And we're going to cook these kebabs, thingamajiggies. And yeah, we couldn't afford the vegetables and everything to go with them, so we're just having chicken kebabs. Daddy Dutch Barbecue, Kent. I'll be leaving a link to him down in the more and box down there and at the end of this video. We done. I'll move mine over to the left. Let's do a taste test on this Daddy Dutch Barbecue seasoning. Alright, the time has come. That's right. We're going to test out Daddy Dutch Barbecue on YouTube. We got some macaroni and some green beans. Alright, let's go with this. See if it's hot or not. Chicken's a tad dry. That's because my neighbor was talking to me. Woo! Got a little hit to it. In a good way. I have a feeling it's going to hit me a little bit more here in a little bit. But by then I'm going to have all this torn up. Good looking little meal, ain't it? The other skewer and veggies are for my lunch tomorrow. Yeah, I'd go over to Daddy Dutch Barbecue and say, I need some of that season, Kent. It does have a kick to it, but Papa can handle it. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. I'll leave a link to Daddy Dutch Barbecue at the end and in the see more. It's really good. I didn't put it on salad. See ya. Hit that bell. Yeah. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. It's kicking in. I got a little sweat going up here on my forehead. And I can feel it right in here. Uncle Steve Shack. And I can feel it in my mouth. It's got a little kick to it. Sure does. Back to Papa.